All right, everybody, here it is, the Stingwater Friends and Family special box. This I'll cut the crap. There's definitely not shoes inside here, but let's find out what's inside the box. See how hard we got scammed, trolled, bamboozled. Let's find out. Well, they said they were selling a box. A special friends and family box, and it seems to be some Stingwater stickers. All right, these are some really expensive stickers. Let's see what it is. It is literally a box with a gold Stingwater sticker. A Uline packaging box with absolutely nothing inside. Wow. I paid $100+ tax for this. Man, I need to maybe reestablish what my priorities in life are and do some growing myself. This is what it's come to. This is what my life has come to. Buying $100 box. Can I sell this on eBay for $10? Any buyers? Oh my God. I'm such a clown. Anyways, well, we'll see if this turns into anything. Daniel Kim said, wait a few weeks and something might grow. So we got some Stingwater stickers here. Well, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't think they've actually officially dropped these. So, maybe still holding out a little hope. Right now, this seems like an elaborate punk. I don't I don't even know. What to think or what to say. I mean, they said it would literally be a box. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is some interesting marketing tactics for anyone out there. This definitely has the internet, a buzz. If you follow their Instagram, Stingwater's Instagram, it's just a bunch of post trolling people who are mad about this and requesting refunds and stuff. And I mean, it is kind of smart from that perspective. I don't know if it was smart of me to buy this though. And maybe I need to do some self-reflection and examining of what I'm spending my money on, if this is what it's come to. Let me know what you guys think. You think anything more out of this there's gonna be anything that grows out of this, or is this literally all that I got for $100? Do you think it's funny? Do you think this is a good marketing tool or tactic, or what the goal is here from Daniel Kim and Stingwater? Let me know your thoughts on this whole thing. I'm not going to call it a debacle. Obviously, this was strategic in some fashion. Do you think I'm getting anything more than this box? I hope so. But on the other hand, I can appreciate the stunt. I can appreciate that. And while we're here, I'm going to mention these really quick. There's a couple things on my unboxing video that I didn't get to point out that I was too in a rush for or didn't notice. Shouts to everyone who watched that video. It's my most viewed video. Shouts to everyone who subscribed from it. If you aren't subscribed and watching this, please do. Help me recoup my cost in some way. F in the chat. Everyone F in the chat and subscribe. Do both of those things. F in the comments and hit subscribe for me to help ease my sorrow from this $100 purchase. Real quick though, things I didn't point out about these shoes in my video. Nike spelled backwards. Don't know how I forgot that. Also on the, let's see here. I'll take off this shoe. On the outside, you got a backward swoosh. All you Travis Scott fans, not the only shoe with a backward swoosh. There's others too. Look them up, Google them. I think there's some Rodmans or something. But backwards swoosh. Also on the inside, I just read this off, empty your mind, but that's backwards. I just read it off in the video. And then inside there it says, please don't step on me. I'm trying to grow. Well, there you have it. And as I predicted, first try on got like black sock dust inside there and fuzzies. So these are definitely going to get dirty. Keep your socks clean and keep your socks unfuzzed if you want to wear these, and they look relatively clean. So like suit dirty there. So I think these are going to creep up in value just because dead stock ones are going to, slowly disappear, and brand new ones are going to look so much better than worn ones. Like any bit of wear on the inside here is going to show, so dead stock ones are going to be a premium. Anyways, I haven't really worn these yet. I put them on for the video here. I think they're fire. I don't know about this. I don't know if that's fire. But please like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. Follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna need your moral support. After this bamboozle, I think I should probably spend less money on shoes and stuff. This might be a good lesson, and spend more money on other things. So if you want to see me keep unboxing stuff, paying $100 for nonsense, please follow and subscribe to me. All right. I don't know what I was expecting, but there you have it. The Stingwater Friends and Family box. Stay tuned potentially for more shoes. Maybe this is the last shoe box I ever buy.